Hi, my name is Frank Lamont, and I wanted to show you one-click export and how it works. I developed this about a year ago, and I've been using it almost daily for about the last year. And so let me show you how I use it. If I typically dock it over here on the right-hand side, here's the user interface. It's very simple. You have a field for changing the name. You have your buttons for making those different file formats and a reset folder. So let me kind of walk you through it. So if I leave this field blank, it'll use the file name up here. So let me just show you. This is my desktop. Right now, the current path is my desktop. If I wanted to change it, I could just hit reset folder, and that would change it to the next location I chose. And it would stay in that location until you came back and changed it again. So give an example, I'm going to hit PNG, and the PNG just showed up on my desktop. I hit the JPEG, it's on my desktop. The WebP, you'll see it again. The TIFF, you'll see it again. If I come here and change the name, and we'll call it sample, and we'll have that. Now we have the sampled PNG. If I hit it again, because of a preference that I have set, it'll start doing numbering. So now I have 01 and 02 and 03, and it'll keep on keep on making new numbers. If I wanted to overwrite the file, all I have to do is hit overwrite existing file and it'll go ahead and do that. Also, I have the TIFF compression settings here. I also have the WebP quality here, the PNG compression, and the JPEG quality. I also have the ability to show or hide buttons. So let's say I never do WebP or TIFFs for myself, then I can just hide those, and these two will just be the main two buttons. And that's it. That's how simple one-click export works.